As 3D prototype design sales manager, I often find that new customers are quite surprised when they learn just how different SLS is to the 3D printing they may already know. SLS grows parts layer by layer by sintering or melting one layer of powder to the next, creating multiple pieces all at the same time. So whatever powder is not melted, that remains as a powder and acts as a support structure. While this is interesting, it's really not much to look at, but the next step certainly is. After the build is completed and cooled down, the parts are extracted, kind of like an archaeological dig. With brushes and many other tools of the trade, the majority of the unsintered powder is removed from the solid parts, and then finer tools are used for smaller details like holes and crevices. Then the final step, a blast of air, and the parts are ready to ship to our customers. So depending on the size of the components, one build could range from having just a few pieces to even several hundred. The final result are durable, functional, flexible components that can be tapped, drilled, snap fit, or machined just like injection molded parts. I can say with great confidence that our SLS nylon parts are pretty hard to beat, and we look forward to the opportunity to earn your business.